Okay, if that freight train is there, there's a London Overground Class 378 trying to get out of Stratford. By the way, I couldn't get the Class 66 number, so the number will be in the description down below, by the way. So it is going to be a bit awkward for the Class 378 because it can't get out at the moment. Because the freight train is there, and just there is another Class 66 in the Bay Road, but I think that was gonna have to wait for the Class 378. One's gone by already. You didn't get that because I wasn't filming then, but there's another one there that's waiting. I'm at Stratford. As you can see, I can see the red thing, because I can't remember what it is. And here comes our Class 378. I'll try and get the numbers of that. The Class 66 number will be in the description down below, because I didn't get that one. And one Class 378, but the one before this was going to Richmond, so I highly doubt it's going to be going to Richmond. Yep, I can already see it's going to Clapham Junction. I'm filming on the North London line on London Overground. (378-228). And again, this Class 66 is going to have to wait for Class 378 to... Oh, hello. Going to Hackney Wick. Here's another 378. Going into Stratford. 378-202. Cluttering over the junction, as you do. And there it goes into Stratford. Stratford station is just beyond that bridge and round the corner, basically. So yeah, we'll just wait for this Class 66 to be on her merry way, and then and there's a DLR there, and then I can go home. She's firing up now, and there's the DLR, presumably bound for Stratford International, I think. And here comes our GBRF Class 66. By the way, the other one was run by GBRF as well. Right, I am gonna get the numbers of this one, so yeah. Right. 66 758. And there she goes, firing up again. This is a great spot to film as well. I do recommend this spot for any other train spotters that want to come train spotting here in Stratford. another DLR over there, heading to Stratford. This is a great view. You get to see like everything from here. By the way, presumably my next video will be in the main Stratford station, and then maybe if the Stratford video gets lots of likes and views, I will do Stratford International on Southeastern and Eurostar. So that's going to be very interesting. Here's the end of the freight train, and it's gone. Right. That's going to wrap up the video there. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos as well, because they're awesome content. Because the YouTube description says awesome content will be put on this channel, and yeah. So my next video is going to be Stratford, the main Stratford station down there, and then my next video after that, oh hello, another class 378. This will be my last train. (378 257). So, oh, and there's another DLR there. So, my next station will be Stratford. If the content is great and you think it's great, so make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you do not miss a thing. And if that gets lots of likes and views, I will do Stratford International. So that's going to be very interesting for Eurostar and Southeastern high-speed trains. So yes, we'll just get this class 378 while I'm here, and then I can go home and relax and go to bed. Right, this is off to Richmond, and then I'll get the numbers for you. (378 222). Yep, I was right. It's off to Richmond. Or Richmond. Right, that's gonna leave it there, and now I can go home and relax. So see you all in next video. Thanks for watching.